Okay, so we had a bit of thunder. It's a bit of luck we might get some more rain. We haven't had some for a few weeks. We only had a few days of it, but we're thankful for the rain that we did have. It certainly saved a lot of water because of the burst water pipes with the new construction. And it has really been magnificent for our passion fruit and our granadillas. This is just one passion fruit bush. How magnificent is it? I have already picked gooseberries this morning and strawberries, but I'm just looking at this magnificent passion fruit tree, and then I heard some thunder, and I think that we might actually get some rain, which would really end of what could have been a perfect day. And then surrounding the passion fruit is actually growing over what's called yucca plants. It's actually a form of aloe, which is used here as, it's indigenous, but it's used here as a fire break, as well as security. The thorns on this thing, the thorns on these plants are, so they're fatal. They're not going to kill you, but they're going to hurt. And right the way down the sides, there are thorns. So we actually got this right around the border of the sanctuary. It doesn't really stop the monkeys because the monkeys jump, but it certainly stops humans, because no human wants to jump into a bunch of this, because underneath this beautiful looking passion fruit border are these deathly fire escape indigenous aloe yucca plants. I'm not quite sure of the pronunciation. I'll get the right pronunciation when I put this video up, because we're actually selling them. You can sell them as miniature or grow them as miniatures. We have a selection of miniatures. Look how beautiful it is. We have a selection of miniatures that we grow just for fun. And then we get those that are a little larger, and then we get those that we grow and they get outplanted simply for security purposes. Very fast growing, self-seeding, self-sowing, and absolute spot on in terms of security. So I just thought I'd share a little bit of that little bit of information about the environment in which we find ourselves living. I mean, it's lush and green now, but that's what we've planted. That wasn't always here. But passion fruit love it, granadillas love it, guavas we've planted, and as I say, gooseberries, November, December, January is gooseberry season, and even though we do grow them and we have the plants, we have gooseberry hedges, so we have always got fresh fruit for the birds, especially the lorikeets. There's always fresh fruit. And I see the lemongrass has gone wild, which is also fantastic, because the birds just love to strip that and make their funny little houses. So I just thought I'd share a bit of that environmental information. It's also a safety precaution, you know, one cannot be too careful, and this is an absolutely 100% effective security and free security border, 100% effective. So underneath this beautiful fruit-bearing plant, you've actually got these deathly large, and let me tell you, when they poke you, they hurt. So yeah, very effective. They camouflage. It's actually quite. Nature's actually amazing. It's amazing. I think we're going to get rain.